Hi, I bet you didn't think there was such a thing as professional organizer humor. And there is. And I'm going to tell a joke about professional organizers. Okay. So there were two old friends that ran into each other, and they had a mutual friend named Fran. And Fran was always known for being a bit of a hoarder, they were calling her, or a clutterer, a keeper saver, a pack rat. And so one friend says to the other, "Oh, did you hear Fran passed away?" The other one said, "No. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Wow. So what's going on with her house?" And her friend said, "Well, it was really, really sad, actually. Her kids had to come in from California and they used up their entire work vacation trying to clean out the house. They just couldn't do it all. And her son ended up putting his back out. They just had to sell the house as was. The realtor didn't have time to do anything with it. The realtor said she could have gotten about $20,000 more for the house if it had been decluttered, but it was just not in a good place for selling." So the other friend said, "Oh my God, that's terrible. It's really a shame that that would have to happen nowadays. I mean, she could have hired a professional organizer to help her." And the other friend said, "Well, she wasn't that bad." So anyway, that's the joke, meaning that, hiring a professional organizer is the last thing supposedly anybody wants to do. It's the last house on the block. And I do understand people's reluctance at having, two complete strangers come into your house and sort through your underwear. But generally, people are at a place in their journey where they realize not only that they do want to be organized, but they aren't going to be able to do it by themselves. And that's when they reach out for help. The first step is picking up the phone and calling me for a free phone consultation, and you'll be on the way on your journey to getting organized.